Good afternoon. Today I am going to teach you another topic of mathematics, that is simplification. The quickest and the easiest way to do simplifications. And I can assure you, after seeing this total video, the full video, you will never get stuck in any of the sums of simplification. You will do it quickly. So let's start. So first of all, let me explain you what is the rule, what is the thumb rule for simplification. That is BODMAS. BODMAS means B is for bracket, O is for off, D is for division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. So you have to follow this thumb rule. Means if you have been given a simplification sum where there is a bracket, division, subtraction, any of these or total of these, then first you have to solve bracket, the numbers which are given inside the bracket, you will solve them first. Then if there is off, then you have to multiply. Off means multiplication, so you will multiply those two numbers in between which you can see there is off written. Then you will solve the division part, then multiplication, then addition, and lastly subtraction. So you have to follow this BODMAS rule. I have taken 4 examples, I have taken 4 sums to show you the complete process. Okay, but here I have not taken any bracket. So maybe in another example I'll show you the bracket also, but for the simpler form I'm showing you rest all of the rules. Number 1 is 5 into 7 plus 3, means we have addition and multiplication. So in case of BODMAS, multiplication comes first. So we have to solve the multiplication first. So 7 5s is 35. 35 plus 3. 35 plus 3 is 38. So the answer is 38. This means you cannot add 7 plus 3 first and then multiply. Because in simplification we have to follow BODMAS. So first we are multiplying and then we are adding. Number 2 is 12 into 2 plus 4 minus 9. So here again multiplication comes first. So 12 into 2, that is 24. 24 plus 4 minus 9. Rest all the numbers you have to write as it is. Now after multiplication there is addition. So we have to solve addition now. So 24 plus 4, that is 28, minus 9, that is 19 is the answer. Now take the example of third one where I have given you division. 12 divided by 4 minus 3. So here division comes first, before then subtraction. So 12 divided by 4, that is 3 minus 3, that is 0, answer. Okay, so first we have to solve the division part, then subtraction. Now here we have division, we have addition, and we have subtraction, and it is in fraction. So first let us solve the division part. So for division part, we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 4s are 16 and plus 3, that is 19 by 4 plus 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 8 minus 10 by 3. To change mixed fraction into improper, we multiply the two numbers and then we add with the numerator. Okay. Now this is the sum. So first we have to solve the division part. How we will solve division? Rest of the numbers will remain like this. 19 by 4 plus 5 by 2. Now this division, to solve it, we will convert it into multiplication. Okay. And the second part will become its reciprocal. So division we will turn divide into multiply, and the number we have written just after division will reciprocate it. That will become 8 by 5 minus 10 by 3. Now you have to cut. So 5 and 1s are 5 1s. That means we are dividing the common number. So 5 is the common number. Both 5 can be divided by 5. So it's 1. Here 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So we have divided 8 by 2 because we have a common divisor. So now the numbers are 19 by 4 plus 4 minus 10 by 3. Now addition comes first. Because we don't have other number as denominator, that means it is 1. So here we have to take out the LCM of 4. That is 4 ones are. Now to solve, to add or subtract two fractional numbers whose denominators are different, okay, they are unlike fraction, we have to take out the LCM of the denominators, and then whatever the answer we get, we multiply the numerator with that. I am repeating once more. If the fractions are unlike fractions and you have to add or subtract, you have to take out the LCM of the denominators. Whatever the LCM you will get, you will multiply the numerator. So 4 is, that is 4. Now 4 divided by 4 is 1. Divide the denominator, the answer, multiply with the numerator. So 4 ones are 4 and 19 ones are 19. First we have divided 4 by 4. Okay, we divide with the denominator, the answer we multiply with the numerator. Now 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 into 4 is 16 minus 10 by 3. Now I am just continuing here because of less space. So 19 plus 16, okay, 35 by 4 minus 10 by 3. Here it is 12. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Now divide the LCM with the denominator, whatever the answer you get, multiplied with the numerator. So 3. This is 105. We divided 12 by 4, that is 3. We multiplied 35 into 3. Okay. Now we divided 12 by 3, that is 4. 4 into 10 is 40. So 65 by 12. So 5, 12 5 is a 65, 5 by 12 is the answer. Okay, so in this way we solve a simplification. Now I can show you one more example of the bracket. Now this is a sum with a bracket. So first we have to solve the numbers given inside the bracket. So 300 divided by 15 is 20. Okay, so 20 minus 10, because we know division comes first, so we'll solve division first. Now into 1. Now 20 minus 10 is 10 into 1. That is equal to 10. So here the answer is 10. Okay, so here in this way we will solve it. First we have to solve the numbers given inside the bracket and then we'll do the whole sum. Thank you for watching. I hope simplification is now absolutely clear to you. Any problem you can comment in the comment box.